Whoa, she's doing it. Wow. Rachel, do it again. I want to see it. You did pretty good. She does a face plant. I'm going to laugh so hard. Rachel's all addicted. Get away, kids. I got this. I got this. Go ahead, Rach. I got that. I got that so good.
Rachel, I'll be back. Okay. No, Dad. Hold on, let's see if I can bounce on that spider. Woo! I could do 200.
I got a headache.
Fuck, I was pointing the camera the other way.
I switched the spider.
It's all safe. It's all safe. Well, watch it.
You don't know how to do that?
Just hold on, Megan. Hey, can you get your shoes on before you come outside? Rachel's hilarious.
He's just a drama queen.
Uh-huh.
He's an actor.
Rachel.
Walk it off!
Rachel's addicted, I think. I'm scared to try. Go ahead, Josh. Go right ahead.
I will break it.
I can do 200.
It's hard, huh? It's tiring. You're gonna get yourself.
You're gonna make yourself vomit just eating dinner and doing that.
What?
So you're gonna vomit. All that dinner you just ate.
What did you tell the kids?
As long as the ice cream stays down, I'll be happy.
Easy with flip-flops.
Wear flip-flops.
Get your safety shoes on, Rach.
My boots are on too.
Well, there's a first time for everything.
You've never seen the positions.
Let me don't even let me know. That's cute, Rachel. Dude, it's going all the way down to the ground, isn't it? Oh my God. It's tiring, huh?
I'm spent. Are they coming back?
They're supposed to, like I said, they're doing. Are you guys coming back outside? Oh, she's in the restroom. Megan's in the restroom. They're coming back outside. He's waiting for her. Slow down, Rachel. I would have been dizzy and fell on the floor by now. Ambulance would have been called.
Doesn't take a pogo stick to get you dizzy.